So this is going to be a combo topic. We're going to talk about a kitchen that's overly gray and has somewhat of a farmhouse aesthetic in it, and how you can change that to something more modern. And the first part I want to talk to you about is actually the flooring and not the gray cabinets. I got a question, what happens if you don't want to put wood floors in your kitchen? And I have your answer. So this beautiful timeless flooring is called a Harlequin pattern. It can be achieved using many different materials, but it's essentially a checkerboard pattern turned on its diagonal. So traditionally a Harlequin pattern is black and white, but you can really do any combination of colors that you want. You could do cream and taupe for something more tonal. You could do white and gray. The options are really endless. So back to this subtly farmhouse gray kitchen. Let's see how we can take that flooring concept, apply it here, make this warmer and more modern. So here we've taken the kitchen that you just saw. We applied the Harlequin flooring. What's great is you can stop this and contain it just in the kitchen if you're not ready to do all the floors. And then we went ahead and lightened the cabinets, brought in a nice area rug, changed the light fixtures with something that had a warmer metal to it. And there you have it.